Hi guys, it's Maris. Welcome back to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button down below and enjoy watching my video. And this is all about how I clean my oven and try new products. So yeah, please enjoy. So these are the products that I'm using for cleaning the oven. So I have here my Mr. Muscle kitchen power tough grease and grime, stuff like that, and I'll explain you guys where and how I use this. And this one, I just got this already a few weeks ago when I do food shopping. I saw this one. It's called Mighty Mop Plus Antibacterial Glass and Multi-Surface Cleaner Pine Scents, and I already used it, guys. You can see it's not full and it smells so good, and it has instruction in the back, and you're not allowed to use this for the wood and stuff. So I will link this down below, guys. And then I took the same brand but in a lavender scent. So I always use this one and I love the smell, and I'm not against with lavender, but I think this time I'm gonna use the lavender scent instead the pine scent. So I'm not gonna mix these two. I have different types on how I use, and this is my wiping supposedly microfiber wipe for kitchen and stuff, basically cleaning wipes. I have like separate rugs, and I also have just for cleaning. So let's go on for cleaning, guys. So this is the oven, guys. So it has a lot of breadcrumbs. It has some stain over there. Oh my god, look how gross that is. And over there also, it's actually my fault because since we got this one, I didn't really clean it every time, so the stain stayed. So hopefully this new cleaner will help to get out some of this dirt here. So I'm currently using my phone, guys, because of the flash. I don't know how to use the flash on my camera, but anyway, so first I am going to use this one, the Mighty Mop. It says remove tough dirt, no need rinse, long lasting shine. So hopefully it will remove this tough not really dirt but stain. So let's spray that one in. Oh my god, the scent is OMG. I can smell it so good. But anyway, so let's leave that in for about a few minutes. And then let's go on for the glass and then the top. For the top and outside, guys, I am using this one. I don't want to use this one. It's I just think because this is stronger than this. I don't know, but I think they're both the same. But anyways, I'm using this one for the outside of the oven, and I'm going to spray it into this rug instead of spraying it there, because I have my glasses there, so I don't want them to get sprayed by the chemicals or something. Was too late already when I was start like cleaning the oven, because they're already destroyed inside and not being wiped and cleaned good when I just bought it. So I feel bad for that. Now let's go on for the glass here, and I'm using this one and spray it here. Sorry if it's shaky because I'm holding my phone and I can't really stabilize it. It's hard. So sorry with that. Ooh, the outside looks great already. So I'm using the same cloth for wiping there, but I am gonna fold in the other side. So that's the dirt from outside, gross. I am not wearing any gloves, which I would prefer do, but it's hard for me. So what I did after cleaning, I washed my hand and put some sanitizer, lotion, something like that, just to, you know. So let's wipe that out. Well, seems like it's not really, oh shoot, seems like it's not really getting a lot. And that's how much it's get, but I think I didn't spray it enough. The thing I used my camera for vlogging it also because ooh, look at that dirt, crumbs. The flash helps it to see. So I folded already, so the crumbs won't. There's still some few crumbs, but I would say it removes some of the dirt. Let me spray some area. The smell is so gorgeous. That's the one I've been working for a while. I did everything already before. Lime juice, but it doesn't work. It's okay. I did my very best. Ew. But I think it was much better than before. It is just so shaky. I can't really like film the top because it's hard, but you can see I'm wiping it off. And wow, oh my lord, I will show you guys later how my clean rug turned into like a monster dirty rug or wiping cloth. It's not really a rug, but and after that, guys, I don't close it. I let it open for about 2 hours, so the smell is not bad, but it's better when it's aired out, so it's not really strong. If you're baking, it doesn't smell like lavender. That's crazy. If your baking smells lavender, it's like, what the hell? It's oh my lord, holy cow. Look how dirty. Did you see before when I showed you my rag was so clean? Look at that crumbs. Oh, ew. So gross. So gross. Oh my god. Anyways, let me put that here. Rinse it out tomorrow. I know I should rinse it out now, right? But I'm lazy. I'll do it tomorrow. So this is my oven after, cleaning. It's the top, shining.